What's up, y'all? So we are here with the LS 5.3 truck motor that we're about to upgrade all of the mounting for the accessory drive. We're gonna relocate the alternator over here to the side. And then also we have the air conditioning on here, which we're gonna relocate up to the top over here. So this is just a quick little video showing you guys how we're getting it done here today in the garage. Excuse the mess, it is a little bit messy, but hey, you know, this is what we have to work with. This is how we're getting it done. You know, hopefully you guys are able to work in a different environment where it's a little less cluttered, but hey, nonetheless, we're gonna get this done. No obstacles are too big to stop us from getting to our end goal. So this motor is going in a 64 Pontiac Grand Prix. You know, it had a 400 in there, but the motor wasn't mounted in. The transmission wasn't bolted down. It was all just sitting in there when we got the car. So we kind of talked about it and decided, you know what, let's modernize it a little bit. Let's go find a LS, throw it in there, and you know, get a little bit more power, get some more you know, amenities that are a little newer, up to date, and see what we can do. So this is our first LS that we're doing. We typically stick with the older blocks and keep it kind of like period correct, but we decided to tackle it. Everyone's done them. I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there showing the same thing, but just wanted to get you guys some content, show you what we're doing, what we're working on. So here it is so far. Cleaned it up. As you can see, painted everything. We went with that Pontiac blue just to make it match. Don't know what we're gonna end up doing with the intake manifold yet, but you know, for now, this is where we're at. Let me get you guys right. There we go. So this is where we're at. This is what we're working on. And what we got are a couple of these brackets off of eBay. Just give you guys this right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's gonna be for the alternator and the power steering pump. So we're gonna get that taken care of right over here. And then we also have similar bracket for the air conditioner, which as you can see in the instructions here. So that's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be over to the side here. Yeah, pretty straightforward. All the instructions, I mean, they're not complicated. They actually don't have any words. It's all via pictures. So we'll see how it turns out. But with that, I'm gonna just go ahead and time lapse it. You guys can see what I'm getting done here. Pretty much just using, you know, this good old AC Delco, you know, wireless ratchet here, and 15 millimeter. That's pretty much all you're gonna need, and regular ratchet. And that should get it done for the most part. If I have to use anything else, it'll be in the description below. So that way you can see whatever's necessary. And I'll try and get some links for the relocation brackets that we used, that we got off of eBay. So that way, if you want to pick it up and use the same setup that we're using, you'll have access to that. So here we go.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.